Hello everybody, it's Zoe and welcome back to another new video on my channel. Today I am going to be showing you what a week of workouts while in this isolation slash quarantine slash lockdown would look like. First of all, I just want to preface this video by saying that this is just what I like to do. I am not like a fitness instructor or have any kind of qualification at all. This is just what I like to do. Just remember to do whatever makes you feel happiest and healthiest. With that, let's get on with the video. Today is Monday and it is about 9:30. First of all, I am just going to go for a walk. If you've seen any of my last few videos, you would know that I've been going on morning walks, and I just feel like they are a good way to get moving in the morning. I wouldn't count them as a workout in and of themselves, but I feel like they add to an overall workout type thing. I usually go out on a walk for about 30 minutes, which usually winds up being just over a mile, because I don't walk particularly quickly or anything. I don't really push myself. It's more of a chill time just to get moving. So let's go. I got back from my walk about 45 minutes ago and I am now going to actually do my main workout of the day, which is taking an online ballet class that's live that my studio is doing. If you've seen a lot of videos on my channel before, you'll know that I am a dancer and I really just don't want to lose all of my strength from ballet by not doing it for a while. If you're not a dancer and you are trying to find something fun to do, I really like dance just because I feel like you're creating something in the process of actually getting exercise. I feel like you don't get that the same way whenever you are just doing a strength workout or cardio or something. If you want to kind of get the same thing but you're not a dancer, you're not ballet or anything like that, one thing that I would recommend is if you look up just dance workout on YouTube. They have a whole bunch of beginner dance workouts, and it might not be ballet because I know a lot of people find ballet really boring. I personally don't, but that's just me. I might be a little biased. But they have lots of different dance workouts that you can do, and I just find those so much more entertaining. So I'm going to go ahead downstairs right now and get set up for that because that is in 10 minutes. It's now Tuesday, it's about 6 p.m. I didn't go on a walk this morning. I tend to only go on walks whenever I don't have class, and Tuesdays and Thursdays I have class relatively early in the morning, so I don't like to have to stress about getting back on time because I like my walks to just be very relaxing. Today my plan is to do 30 minutes on a bike. My family has a stationary bike, so I'm probably just going to go on that. I just wanted to get a little bit of cardio in today, and then I'm doing Shreddy, which is an app by Grace Beverly. I subscribed a month ago now, since I've been home, and I really like the workouts on there. So I'm going to be doing a full body workout from Shreddy today. The past few weeks I've only done Shreddy on its own, that has been my full workout. It's about half an hour, so I feel like it's pretty good. But I just wanted to see what would happen if I upped the activity level. I feel like I haven't really been doing anything that's cardio. In the past few weeks, I usually do Shreddy 3 days a week, and on the days I don't do Shreddy, I will do a ballet class. I feel like the Shreddy workouts sometimes I don't feel that tired afterwards, so I have decided to try adding a couple other things this week, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and change because I'm obviously not in sports clothes, and then I'm gonna head downstairs to do my workout. I'm done on the bike. That was 30 minutes. I did 12 miles. I'm tired now, and the idea of like doing a whole nother workout. Why did I think this is gonna be a good idea? But I'm gonna do it because I told myself I would, and I just want to see how it goes. Wish me luck. So what I do is I have it projected on our TV that's in our gym, and I can play music on the speaker on the TV. My shoulders kept like clicking, and I guess it's just a muscle I need to work so that it stops doing that. I survived. That was actually a really good workout. Like, I actually really enjoyed that. I was a bit nervous about doing like both the biking and the shreddy. The biking is more of like an active part of it, whereas shreddy is a lot more like strength building, I feel like. I really enjoyed today, even though I am tired. Like, I'm literally exhausted, and like in the middle of shreddy I was like dying. Like, it was hard, but like that's what I like in a workout, so I enjoyed that. Also, I think shreddy got harder this week because I'm on week 5 on my workout plan, so I've been doing the home tone up 3-day workout guide. I have really been liking shreddy. I would definitely recommend it, like if you are interested in like toning up, or like they have a few other guides if you want to try any of those. Especially right now is like a great time to try something like that that's new, and that's why I've been doing it. It's a good community as well. Like, everyone's like really nice, and there's like recipes and stuff if you're into that. I'm very picky, and so I don't really try the recipes, but if that's what you like to do, then it also has that. So it's a really good app. I'm not trying to like count calories. I don't work out or anything for like the sake of like losing weight or anything like that. Like, I literally just do it because I enjoy it and I like to feel like strong. It's also a really good way for me to break up my schoolwork, or else I will work for hours and I'm just sat at a desk and it's so boring. Now I'm going to go have a shower and go eat because I'm hungry. Good morning. It is now Wednesday morning. It is about 9:40, which is a bit later than I wanted to go, but I kind of overslept a lot, so it is what it is. This morning I'm doing another half-hour walk, and then at 11 I am going to be doing another ballet class. So this is pretty much exactly the same as what I did on Monday. And seeing as it's halfway through the week, I figured I'd give you a little bit of an update. I'm exhausted. Like, I need to fix my sleep schedule. Maybe that'll be the next video that I do or something. I am a little bit sore from yesterday from the workout that I did. Especially like here, my arms. My arms are definitely the weakest part of my body. Good thing I'm not doing a workout with my arms today. So I'm gonna go head out on my walk. It's a bit later. I am back from my walk. It's almost 11. I went on the walk with my mum, which was really nice. Now I'm gonna go and get ready for my ballet class. I was thinking about doing it on Point, but I think I'm gonna wait and do that on Friday. I just finished that class. Today definitely just felt like an off day. Like, you know, you have those days where you just like feel like you can't put in like the amount of energy that you normally would, because that's what today is feeling like for me. I did it, I pushed through it. It wasn't the best ever in any way. I can't decide whether I prefer to work out in the morning or at night. I feel like in the morning it has its perks because you get it over with and then you have like the whole day ahead of you. When it's at night, it's like that's like the cutoff of my day. Let me know what you guys prefer in the comments. It's not Thursday, it's like 6 o'clock almost, and I'm about to go do my workout. Today my plan is to do another shreddy workout. I believe today is the arms and bum workout, and then after that I think I'm going to do some foot strengthening exercises. It's been a pretty productive day, but I still have like a whole bunch I have to do, and I have a couple of meetings later tonight, so I'm kind of rushing a little bit. I feel like it's okay to rush it. Like, I definitely have time to at least do shreddy. I just might not do the foot strengthening workout today. So I didn't wind up doing the foot strengthening exercises. I just wasn't in the mood. Whenever I was doing like the squats and stuff, my knee really started hurting and I felt like I pulled something. So I decided to take it easy and just do the one workout and not do the second one. I think it's really important to listen to your body. And also I had so much to do anyway that I wasn't too bummed about it. And now I'm going to go have a shower and then go eat dinner and then do the rest of my work. My plan for today was to do a live ballet class at 11 on point. It's now 4:53, so that obviously didn't go to plan. Some things just came up this morning and I just couldn't make the live class, so I had to wait for them to upload it on YouTube so I could actually do it. And as for being on point, my leg is still kind of bothering me from yesterday. I think I must have just pulled something. I don't think I am going to do it on point. I'm going to do it on flat, and then I'm going to go on a walk afterwards, just because I feel like a walk would maybe stretch it out a little bit better. Also, I apologize in advance if I don't get any clips of this, because my camera is about to die and I'm about to run out of space on my memory card, and I really need to go through this right now, or else I probably won't get around to doing it at all. Today is Saturday, which means it is the last day of this video. Honestly, I have not been in a very productive mood today at all. I have not wanted to do like anything. It's taken like all of my willpower to do this right now. I've just been so bored. But you know that boredom whenever you just can't get out of it and you just don't want to do anything, but you also want to do something. It's just... My plan today was originally to row for 15 minutes and then do the shreddy workout for arms and abs. However, I think I'm just going to skip the rowing and just do the shreddy workout, because they definitely got more difficult this week. I think because I'm halfway through the guide, suddenly it's all much more advanced exercises. I made my plan for my week of exercises before I realized this, and I don't feel guilty at all about not going through with it. Just gotta do what you gotta do. I'd also just like to reiterate that when it comes to working out, do what makes you feel happy and healthy and good, and don't worry about other people. I'm not doing this for weight loss or counting calories or anything like that. I just think it's important to try to make yourself be the best version of yourself, and this is how I feel like I can get into that mode. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!